We have another finger exercise over here. This is one of my favorites. So we have Girl on a Bicycle. If you look at the music with me, you'll see for Girl on a Bicycle, the right hand is playing scales, going up, and down, while the left hand holds all the way. And do you see the left hand is holding the tonic, C, the dominant G, holding C, holding G. So we have a little pattern happening. For Boy on a Bicycle, we're doing the opposite. So the right hand is holding C, G, C, and G, while the left hand plays the scales instead. So let me show you Girl on a Bicycle, starting my left hand onto the bass C, not the middle C, the bass C, and the right hand onto the treble C. So look at my hand position there, and let's go. Play the G together, C, and G, C, G. Now onto the Boy on a Bicycle. Same hand position, and we'll play C together, C. Now G, C. Keep that right hand down. Instead of separating both hands, I want to play it together for you and give you a close-up of how it looks. And let's start with Girl on a Bicycle. So remember, we want to play the C together and then the G together. So the C and the G will always be together. Let's start from here. Hold down the left hand and let's keep playing the right hand. Steady, and let's play a scale going up. And G, go down. C, go up to G, go down to C, back to G. 1, 3, 2, 3, 1. Boy on a Bicycle. So holding this down, we're going to get the left hand to play the scales slowly going up and down. Let's start. C, up to G, hold, and C, G, and let's skip the left hand. C, E, G, E, C.